We are going to work on our warm-up. It is warm-up number 20. Okay, so it is asking us to write the following into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, and then convert it into standard form. Ax plus by equals c. So now pause the video and then come back and see how you did. So on the first one, the first thing I see is here's my y-intercept, but I need to find the slope. And my slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. x1, y1, x2, y2. So to put this in the formula, I have y2, 0 minus y1, which is -8. Look what I did. That minus was in the formula, and then I put the -8 here. We'll see what to do in a minute. x2 is 7, x1 is 0. Now, minus and negative changes to positive. So this becomes +8 over 7. This is my new slope. So my equation in slope-intercept, y equals, the slope is 8/7 x, and the y-intercept is -8. That came from this up here. This is slope-intercept form. Now we need to move it into standard form. So let me rewrite this. Oh, let's do this. Let me erase this box. That'll help us here. All right. So to put it into standard form, I need to get the x and y to the same side. So I'm going to move this over to the other side. I'm going to subtract 8/7 x from each side. I get -8/7 x plus y equals -8. Now I have x and y on the same side, but when it's in standard form, it cannot have any fractions. And the front number right here, the a, cannot be negative. So the easiest way for me to get rid of it, I'm going to multiply everything by -7. You do the negative and then the denominator. So now we're going to multiply -7 times -8/7, makes these kind of cancel out, and you're going to get 8x. But then you have -7 times y, which is -7y, equals -7 times -8, which is 56. This is your equation in standard form. In slope-intercept, it was y equals 8/7 x minus 8. That's what you would have gotten for number 1. Now, you can go back and pause and try and do number 2. As I'm going to go over that now. This one, I'm going to put it into point slope form first, because it gave me a point and a slope. So my slope goes here at -1. And I'll erase those x1 and y1. The x1 is 8. The y1 is -4. So to rewrite this, to put it into slope-intercept, minus and negative changes to plus. So I get y plus 4 equals. Then I'm going to multiply. -1 times x, -1x. -1 times -8 is a +8. We're still not done. You need to move this 4. We need to subtract 4 from each side. These cancel, and I get y equals -x plus 4. This is my equation in slope-intercept form. Now to move it into standard form, y equals -x plus 4. X and y have to be on the same side, so I'm going to move this x to the other side by adding x. So I'm going to get x plus y equals 4. The rules are there can be no fractions. There's no fractions. And this lead number right here has to be positive, which it is. This is my equation in standard form.